Hey sweet friends, today we are making the creamiest, easiest chocolate pudding ever. No eggs, no oven, no stress. And guess what? There is a fun twist at the end, so stay with me till the last bit. Now let me ask you, do you like your pudding skelly smooth or more thick and fudgy? Tell me in the comments while we cook together. Okay, first we pour the milk into a hot pan. Now we add butter, chocolate, sugar, and a little coffee magic. Do you love adding coffee to the chocolate too? It gives the richest flavor ever. As it melts, just take a second to enjoy that smell. Chocolate heaven. Right? If you're watching this at the night, sorry, you are gonna crave this now. Now, come the secret to the perfect texture gelatin. We mix it with water and add it in. Then, let everything bubble for just 3 minutes. So tell me, do you prefer your desserts warm or chilled from the fridge? I personally love mine cold on a summer night. Let's pour it in cute bowls or glasses if you're feeling fancy. Leave it chill for about 2 hours, but let's be real, who will check the fridge every 10 minutes like me? Comment guilty if you do it that too. Now, here comes the fun part, decoration. Would you top it with cocoa powder, whipping cream, or shaved chocolate? I can't decide, vote in the comment. Team cocoa, team cream, or team choco chips. The moment we have all been waiting for, the first spoon. Just look at the texture, smooth, rich, perfect. If only you could smell this through the screen, try it and tag me. I want to see your version. If this video made you smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. There's a lot more no-bake magic coming soon from Marmello. See you on the next one.